Hey everyone, Austin from Rekluse talking about an exciting new product from Rekluse for your Harley Davidson motorcycle, the Rekluse Manual Slave Cylinder. The Rekluse Manual Slave Cylinder is designed specifically for the M8 models that tend to have a very heavy lever pull. So the Rekluse Slave Cylinder actually reduces that lever pull without compromising the amount of lift in the clutch system. So we found the balance between lift and lever reduction. Why you want to make sure that you maintain enough lift is you can actually have more drag when shifting or even when it stops if you don't have enough lift. So we wanted to find that balance and provide the best performance for your ride. And we saw that as an opportunity to help riders have a better experience out there by offering this product that's a direct bolt-on replacement for your OEM clutch, your Rekluse clutch, or even other aftermarket clutches. The Rekluse Manual Slave Cylinder features a few different benefits. One, the housing itself is a precision CNC machined billet piece, as well as the piston, and then anodized with a hard coating for durability and longevity. The other advantages of the Rekluse Manual Slave Cylinder are actually increasing the friction zone. So what it does is it allows your modulation area to increase slightly to give you a little bit more control for better takeoff, smoother engagement of the clutch system. With a system that is hard to pull, generally the clutch system will be more on-off. If you want to learn more about this product, visit our website at rekluse.com or feel free to give us a call at any time to answer any of your questions. See you on the road.